Hello, everyone. My name is Sylvia Lucero Romero, and I will be your STU 109 Exploring Majors and Careers course online instructor. This video is to provide you with a short welcome and successful orientation on how to access the content in this course. When you log into your MyPima account, please click into your D2L link and then look for our course homepage. Once you log in, you can click on the upper left area, Content. You will see a helpful Start Here module directly beneath Table of Contents. That is where you can find your STU 109 syllabus. Please do make sure to take the time to download the syllabus, read the syllabus, and email me quickly with any questions you might have. Once you've read the syllabus, you can go ahead and start to watch the video on welcoming, which is this one, and continue on towards your next assignments. The modules will each have their own set of instructions on welcome and outcomes, and you can see your grades when you click on the upper area here on the left, click on assessments, then click on grades, and you can also see how you're doing in class. Remember that the weekly discussions are a very important part of your online course. We do require that you participate by posting your own initial discussion, which should be a minimum of 250 words, and then I would like for you to reply to at least 3 classmates. Sometimes it is a good idea to space out your replies to others' discussion posts at different times throughout the week, and that allow other people to have the time to create their own discussion posts and then read your discussions and participate with each other. I know it's kind of difficult if you're somebody who likes to get started really quickly and quickly get your assignments done. It's sort of asking a lot to ask you to wait a couple of days because that might be contrary to how you do things. It's not, of course, a requirement, it's only a strong encouragement. The reason for this is if you're constantly replying towards the same persons, you're limiting your ability to get other viewpoints. So it is worth your while to post your discussion, reply to a couple of others, and then perhaps give it a couple of days and then look for that third person's discussion post and reply to them. You might find some really interesting ideas, opinions, perspectives that you hadn't considered before. That's part of having our different strengths and interests. Some folks really get their motivation by opening up the syllabus and the to-do lists and the due dates and getting those done right away. And other folks like to let those ideas and thoughts and assignments sort of percolate in their brains and kind of give us a whole different perspective to some of the ideas and assignments that are going to be part of this course. As always, reach out to me. The assignment due dates are flexible yet predictable and firm. Typically every week you'll have a set discussion post deadline. So it's kind of nice to have a whole week as a deadline, and then you have the freedom to figure out how you best perform, whether that's immediately upon the start of the new week, midweek, or even later in the week. And if you are someone who likes to get started right away, maybe an idea for you to consider is posting your own discussion, replying to 2 other folks rather quickly in the week, but holding off for that third requirement of responding to another's post by deliberately waiting perhaps till the last day or 2 within that week deadline and see how that feels. I hope that's not too stressful. I know that when we get out of our comfort zones, that can happen. Thank you so much. Again, my email SLOUSTAUNAU. You can reach out to me. It's at pima.edu, I should say. My phone number, my contact information is on the homepage of our course, and I encourage you to reach out.